Bitcoin just failed its most important breakout, and that could decide the next $20,000 move. If you want crypto news before it hits mainstream, hit subscribe. Yesterday, Bitcoin tried to break out to 90,300 resistance, or let's call it what it actually is. This is the point of control right now. This is the most important breakout we need before looking for the higher prices. Even though we broke above it, the bulls couldn't hold it above 90,300. The Bitcoin price just came down. After eating around 300 million worth of liquidity that was placed in 91,000. After the November low that took us to 81K, we have been trading in the 85,000 and 95,000 range for more than 2 months now, even though we failed again to break above the point of control. Breaking above this means we will head toward the upper range. In a 4-hour time frame, it's looked like we are creating a bearish flag pattern. Usually, these break down and go to lower prices. If that's happened, this will give us 85K as the target. Yeah, sounds like a perfectly playing inside the 95K and 85K range, doesn't it? Worst case scenario, we might have been creating a head and shoulder pattern that could take us easily to 78,000. This one is just I'm rubbing my magic balls and looking at the probabilities before it actually appears in the charts. Don't overthink about these probabilities, but make sure to be ready for those. Either way, these moves are a good chance for trade and make some stable coins. The next 60 days in crypto will be critical. If you want to know what's actually happening before everyone else, hit that subscribe button.